Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is how you can make money. Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is how you can make money online. But this is going to be how to really make money online. Cue the intro. So how do you make money online? First of all, you want to pick a niche. You have to be at least interested in what you want. You want to be at least interested, if not passionate, about what you are going to talk about. Because you are going to have to do a ton of content on this. Now, whether this is YouTube or this is blogging, you choose. Both work, but I highly suggest that you do YouTube because YouTube is a video and because YouTube is video content and people really like the interaction that you have. I really enjoy having an interaction with you guys and hopefully you guys do too. So this is point number one. You really have to have at least some interest because the amount of content that you're going to have to put out is huge. You're going to have to put out mini videos all the time and for years to come because money doesn't come easy. I want you guys to know that money is something that you have to work towards. If you're just trying to make a quick buck here and there, this is not the channel for you. This channel is about how to make a sustainable income online and to bring you freedom. And this is why I really put so much effort to tell you guys that it's not going to be easy and it is going to take time. So you really want to make sure that what you choose, the niche that you choose and the subject, you have to be able to stick around on the long term. Now this is not the only thing. There are some other things that you do have to keep in mind. You have to be able to monetize your channel. If you're doing a gaming channel, if you're doing a vlogging channel and just showing people what you do around on your day and not have very much else to say, it's going to be very hard to monetize because your channel is not really about anything, and unless your name is Kim Kardashian or Kylie Jenner, it's going to be very hard to just vlog your day and make some real money, because yes, you will try to sell some merch, but it's going to be really hard because people will not have that connection that you could have with them if you're trying to help them out on something. So I really suggest that you do help people out. Now, hear me out. It is possible to make some money doing vlogging. Look at Jake Paul. He's making a killing with his e-commerce store just because he has a YouTube channel. But it's way harder to do it that way than trying to help people out. I'm trying to help you guys out by explaining exactly how you can build a business online. You can do the same in your niche. You can help people. You can make a channel, or I always talk about channels, but you can make a blog about the same thing. So keep that in mind. Every time I talk about YouTube, it can work in blogging as well, but even though I highly suggest that you do YouTube more than blogging. That being said, if you do a YouTube channel on people, on helping out people how to cook, if you do a YouTube channel on helping out people take care of their dogs and making their dogs happy, if you're talking about how to work out, this is a huge one. The health is something that's really big and really lucrative. So if you try and do something that's just helping people out and you show your face and you do a YouTube channel or a blog about this and you stay consistent with it, this is key. If you stay consistent, it's going to help your rankings go way up. And I know I haven't put a video out last week, but trust me, this week there will be videos every single day. If you look at all the successful YouTube channels and blogs, these are people that put out content on a regular basis. So choose it and just double down on it. If you're thinking of doing one video per week, do at least 2. If you're making 2, do 4. And just keep putting out more and more content without sacrificing the quality of that. Because the quality is what's going to help people come back to your channel or your blog. The next thing is what you have to understand here is that you have to make way more content than you are consuming. Now, if you're spending a lot of time on YouTube and you're just binge watching so much content, just cut that off and produce more content than you're actually watching. So create more content and then just, it's okay to watch YouTube videos. I watch YouTube videos. You can learn a lot, but nothing will make you learn more than actually doing it. So if you're just thinking of starting, just start and stop watching all that content and binge watching it. Yes, you can watch content, but you have to create way more than what you are watching. So how do you create content? Creating content is just learning something and putting it out. If you learn something from a YouTube video, from a coach, from a course, all these things, or maybe if you're learning content if you're learning content from a YouTube video, from a blog, from a course that you've taken, from what you've learned in your business, all these things can be very helpful to other people, because if they helped you out, they will probably help other people out. So you just recreate that content and add your twist to it because of your personality, what you've learned, then that the course that wasn't in the course, but you learned all these from different places. Just put it out there and help some people out, because most likely if you have an issue, other people will have that same issue. So just learn something and just recreate the content and put it out there on YouTube or on your blog. Now the next step is you have to have an offer that people actually like. So make sure that you're not just trying to sell things to people that don't really enjoy your content. No, that wasn't. No. The next step is you have to have a good offer. You have to have an offer that's good for the people that you are trying to sell to. If on this channel I was going to offer you to buy a free, if on this channel I was going to offer you to buy a free if on this channel I was going to tell you that I'm giving you, if on this channel I was going to sell you a cooking course, would you actually buy it? Probably not. It's very unlikely that you guys will buy a cooking course. Maybe one of you guys who is interested in cooking, but it's not an offer that will help you out. On the other hand, if I were going to offer you a course that's amazing and that's really cheap, that's going to help you blow up your business, most likely a lot of you will buy it because it's congruent with what I'm talking about and it will really help you guys out. It's not something that I'm just trying to sell. And keep in mind that you have to trust that product, so you probably have to be using it. If you're not using that product, there's a good chance it's not a good thing. If you're wondering if your product is on the edge, if it's a little scammy maybe, but you're not too sure, chances are it is. So make sure that you're 100% behind the product that you're trying to sell. Now when you're starting your channel, you don't have to really have a product in mind because you have to build it, and at the beginning you're not going to sell anything to anybody. You just have to build up your brand, but keep in mind that you do have to have a niche where you can sell things, and most niches you can, but if you're teaching people, this is the best way to do it. And in the end, to validate the product that you want to use, you have to ask you these questions. Is the customer gonna be happy? Are you going to make some money off that? And is the company selling that product is going to be happy? And is the company selling that going to be happy? If any of these answers are no, then it's not a good product. So this was a real step-by-step on how you can do that. I'm going to bring out value every single day, so make sure that you do check these out. My videos are packed with content and I really want to help you guys out. So make sure that you do subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment on what you think of the video or anything that you just want to say, because I'm really happy to hear your feedback, and I'll see you in the next one tomorrow. Bye.